1991 and last year 1992, defending his title, Matthew Earl. Matthew Bear and Bill Hughes. Bill Hughes took Matthew Bear up with him some years ago and taught him everything he knows about wood chopping. So it's the last of our against the bugle. Well, we wish you all the very best.
Thought him too well, actually. One on another one too.
Stand by for the start. Stand by for the start, Ashford. Action. Stand once. Get ready. 1, 2, 3.
Good start. That's right, Joe. Just let him go. He'll be right. He's right, Joe. Don't worry. Just worry if he gets in trouble on top. Don't worry about his climb. He can give most of them a start on top, so see? He'd be happy if he does, Is that you shaking Joe or me?
Me.
The camera's doing a bit of a wobble. Might be both of us. He's right.
To the winner this year of the World Championship tree felling, Bill Hughes, regaining his title. And ladies and gentlemen, an excellent cut from the then defending champion, now reserve champion, Matthew Durr. Third, Mitch McKenzie from Dorica. Very, very good catch, Mitch. And fourth, up-and-coming tree fella, Stephen Quick. Very, very good performance this week. Congratulations. Ladies and gentlemen, next we'd like to show our appreciation to Tui's and to Mr. Peter Phelan for making the presentation. So would you join with me? Get Peter up down the stand with the tree fellas. Would you join with me in 3 cheers?